Baha'i Prayer from the Peace Prayers Project as publicized by James Twyman. Be generous in prosperity and thankful in adversity. Be fair in judgment and guarded in thy speech. Be a lamp unto those who walk in darkness and a home to the stranger. Be eyes to the blind and a guiding light unto the feet of the erring. Be a breath of life to the body of humankind, a dew to the soil of the human's heart, and a fruit upon the tree of humility. From the National Spiritual Assembly of the Baha'is of the United States, the world of humanity has two wings. One is woman, and the other is man. Not until both wings are equally developed can the bird fly. Should one wing remain weak, flight is impossible. And finally, from Baha'i leader Abdul Baha, service to humanity is service to God.